Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars in Russia. Due to regional restrictions, the game is not directly accessible. The only way to bypass these limitations is by using a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN creates a secure, encrypted connection over a public network, effectively masking your true location and making it appear as if you are browsing from another country. This is the crucial first step to getting back into the game. Choosing the right VPN is vital for a smooth gaming experience. Look for a reputable service that offers a wide array of servers located outside of Russia, perhaps in Europe or North America. Prioritize providers with strong encryption protocols, like AES 256-bit, and a strict no-logs policy to ensure your privacy. Fast connection speeds are also essential to minimize lag and maintain optimal performance during gameplay. Once you've selected your VPN, the next step is installation. Download the official application from your chosen provider onto your mobile device. After installation, open the app and connect to a server in a country where Brawl Stars is available. Popular choices include Germany, Finland, or the United States. Always verify that your VPN connection is active and stable before proceeding to launch the game, ensuring a secure and uninterrupted session. With your VPN successfully connected to a server outside Russia, you are now ready to access Brawl Stars. Simply open the game application on your smartphone or tablet. The game should launch without any regional restrictions, allowing you to join your friends and dive back into the action. Remember to keep your VPN active throughout your gaming session for continuous access and a consistent connection. Enjoy your battles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.